Welcome to this session to help you find life direction, your higher purpose or mission in life. You may just want the answer to one specific question, to clarify the next step if you feel you are at a crossroads, or you may wish to know the overall mission or purpose for your life. Whatever you want, just accept now that what is revealed to you is what you are ready to embrace. You can come back and listen as many times as are needed to get new information. As the path unfolds, more questions may come up. And remember that all hypnosis is self-hypnosis. There is only guidance, and you always choose whether to proceed or to pause. And anything you discover about yourself is coming from within yourself. My words are just a catalyst, an enabler, but your imagination, your energy will create what unfolds. And relaxing into this session, as always, only listen to this when you have no other task at hand and when you are in a safe environment. As this is a session designed for sleep or deep subconscious awareness, you may well fall asleep and may wish to set an alarm. And getting used to the sound of my voice. And as you settle in now, you start to feel your relaxation deepen. And allow me to count you down now. With every countdown, the conscious mind relaxes. Starting at 10, as you're just settling in, as your breathing relaxes. And 9, starting to release every muscle. Down to 8, allowing thoughts to drift away. And 7, going deeper and deeper into that vast space, the library of your subconscious mind, where all knowledge awaits. And 6, feeling your potential expand as you relax more and more. And easily going down, all the way down to 5. Feeling time slow down. And stillness within. To 4, drifting further away from everyday distractions. To 3, so calm, so quiet now. 2. Feeling peace settle into your body, mind, and soul. And 1, feeling safe and secure. Knowing you are always in control. And as your attention shifts and intensifies, as you let go of everyday busyness, feel the energy intensify inside. Knowing that you can look inside and find answers in that deep bank of knowledge. Knowing that as you relax more and more will be revealed to you in an easy, effortless way. And as you sink deeper into your own subconscious mind, you may start to feel your body lift up as you feel the energy elevate you. And the ceiling above you disappears. The walls dissolve. And all there is a midnight blue sky and the vast space of the galaxy above. You perhaps feel the bedsheets sliding off you as you go up and away, elevating your awareness, allowing your body to follow. As you go up into the night sky, passing through clouds and continuing to rise up and up. And as you are simply aware of motion, of wind passing through your ears, with every breath you go deeper and deeper to that special place. And somewhere up in the sky you make out the base of a staircase, a white marble staircase. And your feet come to rest at the foot of the stairs. You feel the cool marble beneath them, and you find yourself standing there. And as you stand looking up the staircase, it gently winds around and up, inviting you to go higher up even. And as you start to take footsteps, every step is easy, relaxing. With every step, the higher up you go, the more your mind opens up even more. Your awareness is so heightened, so distilled in this moment, that you notice the smallest sensations in your environment, and you take slower, purposeful steps. Feeling the energy waves around you as they give way to your movement. And as you step one after the other, you slowly get to the top, and the scene reveals itself to you. As you see a large white marble room ahead, a vast space, with large columns on either side, and you see movement of people. You walk through the white marble archway and stand at the edge of this vast hall. You walk in and step to one side, and you see a few people here and there, walking in and out from different doorways. It is silent except for the gentle murmur of quiet but intense discussion from all around, and the sound of footsteps moving slowly and purposefully across the white marble floor. And you pause for a moment and listen carefully, hearing the sound of your own breathing. You can almost see the air ripple with energy, ideas, creative motion. It is the sound of planning, as if important decisions are being made. But you cannot make out any of the words. Everyone is in deep contemplation. Two people cross in front of you, but they do not see you. They are so intently focused on their discussion, heads down. And you walk further into the room, with every breath just taking in this scene. The brilliant, sparkling white marble, the people, the wide open sky above, the tall and mighty columns, and taking it all in, knowing this is a good and safe place, you transform any nervousness to healthy anticipation, breathing in excitement, breathing out any self-doubt. You look up and notice the universe above, the open space, and the stars. The deep, vast space above is a contrast to the brilliant white below. And as you walk into the center of the room looking forward, think about the reason why you came here tonight. The questions you have, the decisions ahead. And as you look around feeling calmer, that you have a right to be here, you notice a scent of delicate flowers from your left side, and you lift your face to take in this delicate perfume. And you become aware of a presence on your left, a gentle gaze and look. And in between the other figures in white robes walking by, talking heads down, one person is standing still and smiling, looking down but smiling, acknowledging your presence. And she slowly lifts her head, the head of silvery grey hair, and you see the face. You recognize this elderly lady from some time, some place before. And you notice while everyone else is in white robes, hers are more grey, like silver. As they shimmer, as your eyes focus in and out, it's not clear if it is the material or if the glow comes from within. The glow extends beyond her body and almost sings. She walks over to you. You breathe more easily as she welcomes you with a look. As you watch her come closer, the robes swish and move, but not like cloth, almost like ocean waves or energy as they cascade, flowing up and down her with every step, rolling around her like waves on a shore. As if the energy is barely contained. Gentle energy. As she gets closer, you can see the deep wrinkles in her face and the delicate parchment-like skin. Her hair pulled back. As you meet eye to eye, her gaze is so intense, you almost wish to look away, but it is the intensity of deep compassion. And while you may not notice the color of her eyes, you see the light, the sparkle in each eye. Each eye seems to contain a universe of experience, timeless knowledge. And as she stands next to you, you can feel the energy from her now. It vibrates around you, and each cell in your body activates a little more. An unspoken language between her and you, as if each cell in your body recognizes a pattern. As you feel this energy permeate deep into every cell in your body, feeling a message starting to unlock. And she reaches for your hands and clasps them in hers, and a pulsing of life in each of her fingertips as they lay gently and respectfully over yours. She looks at you as if acknowledging the thoughts coming up, and she starts to speak. A celestial voice, and you listen now carefully. I've been waiting for you, watching out for you all this time. You are ready for the next step. You have so much greatness inside of you. I've known this since you were born in this lifetime. Don't ever doubt it. Don't be afraid of anything inside. I see the courage that has brought you here today. I see the hope that still keeps you open to possibilities. I feel the faith that you have. Look inside for the answers. And she pats your hands and releases them. You look up at the wide open space above, vast open space of the universe above. A blanket of stars watching over you, keeping you safe. And as they twinkle, you breathe in everything. Breathe in calm. Breathe out self-doubt. Breathe in courage. Breathe out fear. Release all fear. And as you lower your head again, you look around, and everyone is gone, and you are the only person remaining. As you breathe in the vast space of your potential, you look ahead and walk through the doorway in front of you, drawn towards it as it glows in a soft, easy light. As you walk through the high marble archway, you come into a room that is a little brighter and glowing. and in front of you, you see more doorways all around. Each one is the same height, another marble arch, and each one has a different glowing light that emanates. You take time to walk past each door. And you notice how you feel a different energy from each one. And maybe each light has a different tint. Maybe there's a different sound or vibration as you walk past each doorway in turn. Taking your time. Doorway to doorway. And as you walk past each doorway, be clear on the question or questions that you have, the decisions you need answers on, the choices to make. And you get to the end of the doorways and start to walk past again. Notice now which one feels as the most appealing, the most inviting, as you repeat your questions or request. Which one seems to answer you? And remember that whatever comes up comes from inside of you, this safe space. You can pause when you find the entrance that feels right, that resonates with your frequency. And when you are ready, you walk into the room, feeling a shift in vibration, new sound, energy, color, some or all of these. And as your eyes get accustomed to the room, you see a scroll on a marble table in front of you, and an ink pot and a quill pen. You pick up the scroll and hold it in both hands and slowly unroll this paper, this thick parchment. And as you unroll it, you see at first that it is blank. You close your eyes in this scene, repeating your specific questions. And when you open your eyes, you put the paper down and automatically pick up the quill pen and start to write. The words are written so fast now, so accelerated, as you unlock the wisdom from inside of you. The conscious mind has no time to interfere, censor, or hold back. Seeing words and sentences appear, faster and faster, one line after another. until it is done. You put the pen back and lift up the scroll. And more slowly now, you read the words on the page. And it may be the words you were expecting, or it may be something else. You may have received a direct answer to your question, or some other information. Trust that you are given whatever you are ready for, whatever you need right now. And you roll up the parchment and grip it in one hand as you are ready to descend to earth again. And before you leave, remember that you can return to this at any time to receive another message, to receive an answer to another question. And as you close your eyes on this scene, through your eyelids the glow of the light fades down. Sounds turn to quiet, and your whole body relaxes. As you feel the wind around your ears, you know that you are descending to earth again. Into your body again. And soon you feel the bed sheets above you, becoming aware of your hands and feet, of the bed beneath you, as you feel your head resting against the pillow and your regular nighttime breathing. Feeling the four walls of the room around you, and time moving forward again. And as you sink deeper into sleep now, know that whatever message you received is deep within you. As you sink deeper into relaxation, you have more faith in yourself to face what lies ahead, more courage to take the next step, more confidence in making the right decisions, more self-belief in your own positive potential. And as you sleep now, you consolidate this new knowledge, knowing that when you wake you will feel heightened awareness, greater peace, renewed energy in body, mind, and soul. Knowing that every time you look at the night sky, it will remind you of how vast, how great is the power of your own limitless mind. And for now, just allow yourself the gift of self-care and sleep.